Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the game. Open Roblox Player or Studio and sign in now so settings change for your account. Once in a game, press ESC and choose Settings, then open Graphics. In Studio, go to View, Game Settings, Rendering to reach the same area. Make sure you're on the Graphics tab because that's where resolution and quality controls live. These first steps place you exactly where you need to be. Proceed immediately to change values, rather than digging through menus. With the graphics panel open, switch between full screen and windowed to decide whether Roblox should match your monitor's native resolution. Once done, choose Graphics Mode. Automatic uses default settings, Manual lets you pick quality and resolution scale, and Custom may expose advanced toggles. Move the resolution scale slider to lower performance cost or increase sharpness, values like 0. 5. Reduce workload while 1. 5 boosts detail. Make sure to test after each change. Apply your chosen settings and restart the game if Roblox asks. That guarantees the new resolution and scale are active. Once restarted, check frame rate and interface layout. If elements are off-screen or choppy, revert resolution scale to 1. 0 and toggle full screen off then on to reset rendering. If problems persist, update your GPU drivers and the Roblox client because outdated software often causes visual glitches. If you still see issues, lower the graphics quality and test again. Repeat until you find the best balance of performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.